Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is doing great. Welcome back to another vlog. This is 6 a.m. in the mornings. Morning refreshment. Seriously, each and everything is on the top of tree. The birds are shrinking, right? So you people can see right here. So yeah, this is each and everything. So basically, these refreshments can give you energy to your day in your life. So everybody is needed to go for these kind of refreshments, which is basically happening in morning time. Just enjoy it and have some great and good refreshments. This will seriously keep you the whole day very energetic while you are having your refreshments in morning, and so on so forth of your breakfast as well. It affects each and everything. So do enjoy and have some rests, have some good refreshments, and do not skip your a kind of refreshment that you have in your life. So देखते हैं अब फर्दर हम लोग की तरफ जाएंगे और देखते हैं कि what I will be adding in my life. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be explaining and sharing each and everything with you people. So just enjoy the vlog and don't skip the video. Thank you so much.
I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll met you. I feel like we're hiding down there, and so much worries you were holding inside of you. The sky.
Okay, so after coming back from walk and all these morning refreshments, so after having breakfast as well, so further I will be explaining my daily routine, which will be aiming on my day in my life, right? तो इस टाइम मैं वापस आ गया हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट एंटरटेनमेंट प्लेस के लिए. अली बताएगा मुझे, अली वीडियो सही आ रही है या गलत आ रही है?
सही आ रहा है.
अच्छा, मैं अपनी इस उमरानी ग्रुप के साथ बैठा हूँ, ये आपको नज़र आ रहा है.
मैं भी हूँ.
आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट मैं अभी इधर इनके
थोड़ा
साथ चाय
ऊपर
पी
करो,
रहा
थोड़ा
हूँ. अभी इनके साथ मैं चाय पीता हूँ. और ये बल्कि बाबर बलोच जो कि हमारा मेजर प्लेयर हमारे ग्रुप का,
बहुत काला आ रहा है यार.
और ये इशफाक है, ये हमारे वेस्ट इंडीज़ का मेन प्लेयर है.
ये भी ड्रामा कर रहा है.
और ये अली है जो कि कौन सा
सारा दिन मसरूफ होता है.
सारा दिन. रफ़ी द वन एंड ओनली हमारा सेकंड मेजर प्लेयर है.